Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this Hue box. This is Inmotion V10, just arrived today from China. So we are doing an unboxing now. I want to see this seller give me any extra free gift or not. Actually, that Inmotion V10, they have two models. One is V10 and one is V10F. I just take the normal one, the V10, not the F version. So they come with a user menu, and this soft pack with a 3M double side tip. So this is a charger, 84-watt LiPo battery charger. Then there's a power adapter. So we see inside here do have some free gift. Let's check and see what inside. They come with this protected cover for this V10. So very good. This is can protect the wheel. So this one is safety wear. Can be protect your hand. And also leg. So this is all free gift there's a seller giving. this one is protector soft pack. You can stick on the wheel to protect the wheel. So usually I will not use it because this is a free, so we just keep it. And then this is a magic towel. Quite a lot of free gift actually. So you can see, do have a map. This is a China map. Okay. I also come with this normal tire punch air pump. This is a very cheap quality actually, but as a free gift we cannot complain. So okay, the last is the Inmotion V10. Okay, so nothing inside the box, we can move away. So this is the one we are looking for. Very nice. It comes with a handlebar. Very easy to carry out. It can be a stroller. And this do come with speaker, both side, front and back. Here, the back also got speaker, and then got backlight. Also front LED light, really brightness. The rim is 16 inch, but the tire is bigger than Inmotion V8. This is 16 inch 2.50. The V8 I think very slim, but this one is much bigger. And then when you go off-road, very comfortable. Also this V10 comes with this big foot pedal. So far the build quality really solid. This one, on the menu they mentioned that V10 can go up to 70 km per charge maximum, and then the speed is maximum 40 km per hour. It's quite fast. So now is low battery. Oh god, a battery. Very nice LED light. It's more slimmer than V8. V8 very big, the light. So this is a battery indicator, power on off switch, and then here the handlebar got a button, safety button. When you want to take off, you just press and hold, then you can take off, then the ring won't run away. Also you can press and hold and then put like a button. So really nice. The LED light is blinking, the backlight, and then we see the front light, press and hold. Oh, very bright. The LED very bright. Brighter than V8. The speaker very loud, the volume. So the charging port is behind here. This is a charging port. So the charging you can plug into here to charge. The weight about 20 over kg. But so far look very very nice. If I didn't mention this is a 16-inch, you think this is a 18-inch because it's very big. Overall, the size look very big. You need to download the Inmotion app to activate first before you go for use this. And so the soft pad is stick on here. It's fit perfectly. So we will activate first and then charge and go for test ride. See how is the performance for this V10. Very brightness. So now it's power off. So the lights still blinking. I think it's need to be activated. I will go through the menu later. So stay tuned for next upcoming video for test ride this Inmotion V10. Thank you for watching.